3, 2, 1, start. Where an order is made punishing any officer, other than the vice chancellor, teacher, or others employee of the university, or altering or interpreting to his disadvantage the prescribed terms or conditions of his service, he shall, where the order is made by the vice chancellor or any other officer or teacher of the university, have the right to appeal to the syndicate against the order, and where the order is made by the syndicate, have the right to appeal to the chancellor for review of that order. Full stop. The application for review shall be submitted to the vice chancellor, and he shall present it to the chancellor with his views. Full stop. Provided that no order under this section shall be passed unless an opportunity of being heard is afforded to the person to be affected. Full stop. New paragraph. Thereby provided further that if the appeal is against the order of the vice chancellor or any other officer or teacher of the university who is a member of the syndicate, the vice chancellor, the officer or the teacher shall not attend the proceedings of the syndicate for decision of the appeal, and in the absence of the vice chancellor, the members shall choose one of them to chair the meeting for that item. Full stop. The university shall constitute for the benefit of its officers, teachers, and other employees in such manner and subject to such conditions as may be prescribed, such pension, insurance, gratuity, provident fund and benevolent fund schemes as it may deem fit. Full stop. New paragraph. Where any provident fund has been constituted under this act, the provisions of the Provident Fund Act 1925 shall apply to such fund as if it were the government provident fund. Full stop. Notwithstanding any to the contrary contained in any agreement or contract or in any other law for the time being in force, but subject to the provisions of the act, an officer, teacher, or other employee shall, if the chancellor so directs in the public interest, serve for such period as may be fixed or extended from time to time by the chancellor in any post in the government department or an educational or research institution set up or established by government or any other university in the province of the Punjab. Full stop.